Well, hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It is out. Yes, I'm in the loft. And I suppose summer is over now. The van trips have come to an end. There is one more party booked, but so it's a bit like a return to the loft. I have been up here all day trying to clean up. It's still in a mess, but well, welcome back to the railway. The winter season started. Got so many plans, and I've had a few buys as well recently, so let me show you them. I've managed to snap on eBay another permanent way rail cleaner to get the job done much quicker. So we'll have one on the bottom loops and one on the top loops, so it should get done in half the time. They're very good for cleaning the rails, they really are, as you can see. Old fashioned, yes, but they still work very well. So I've got another one of those. My car transporter train has gotten a wee bit longer. I've managed to grab yet another car-tic. That one I got a little while ago, and now I've got another one. Needs painting and a couple of cars putting on it, so the car train is getting longer. Arnold sands, I've just managed to buy a couple more. So a couple of more are in the post, so my Arnold sands train is going to get a little bit longer. More kind of respectable length. What we've got now, 3, 6, 7, 8. Going to be about 12 of them in the end, so that's cool. As you can see, the scenery just stops here, and I've got all this to do. Stationing up there and platforms. And really, I've got all that to do, and I'm thinking about having another fiddle yard through here. That saves me taking trains on and off all the time. So much to be done. Electrics too. Now you can see we need the rails cleaning. So Alan's back to the loft, and I can't wait to get started really. So more stuff coming soon. This is my Dublo, which I think is a Class N2, but I could be wrong. She's down for a service because she's been doing so much mileage, and she's way overdue for an oil and a fiddle. So that's that. The other thing I've just bought on eBay a Hornby Dublo N2 in die cast as a little project for myself, so that's coming. It must be 60 years old. I'm going to see if I can get it up and running. So she's due for a service. This is another project. This was sent to me by lovely Rachel, Angel of Crew Rachel. Talking about Rachel, where's she gone? I can't see her channel anymore. But I had a visit the other day from another YouTuber, Gary 425. You can find his channel, there should be a link down below, and he brought with him, yes, another motor bogie and trailing bogie. So what I want to do is make this a four-wheel drive, four-wheel pickup with 2 ring fields, one each end, because one ring field on its own is a little bit crappy. So this is going to be a twin ring field and no traction tyres. I'm going to take the traction tyres off and just run all steel wheels and see how many pickups. I should be able to get 5 pickups working. So that's another project. Thanks Gary. Thanks Gary at GS425. I hope I've got that right. That's another project then. And where's Rachel, Angel of Crew? Where's she gone? I can't find her. More production here. The laser is now in its own booth. so I've got extraction fan taking the smoke away, so that's coming along. My spray booth, in which I'm about to buy a spray gun and compressor, is pretty much on its way, so I can swap the vent from that one to this one, so I can get my spray gun sorted. It's got a motorised turntable and LED lights, so I should be able to spray away for my products. I've been doing lots of work on the website, and a rather good friend of mine, no, a very, very good friend of mine, has sent me a box of goodies. This is Matt, I call him Mattress, he will know who he's on about. And inside there's a host of Triang locos of all different kinds. It's very, very dusty, so that will make a video in itself. So coming soon is the box of Triang. So lots going to be happening here at Buckland Junction. The summer has really come to an end, even though it's 17-18 degrees here in the southeast. It's all grey and horrible. So my products are going to start again, including my bridges, and they're all going on the website. Gardens and pillboxes and a few other surprises coming. And here's that lovely Hornby Dublo Class N2, is that right? Yes, she's scruffy, but I fancied a project, clean her up, add some lamp irons, paint in some bits and bobs and get her running. They're really fine wheel sets on these. They're very well made, all made with brass BA screws, etc. So that's another project on the way. Well, on that note, I say that's really good to be back in the loft. So I'm going to have a run session now and get ready to edit this edit this video. Okay, here we go. Come on darlings, off you go. Steady. That's it, they're off. A run session for me. And back to the loft we are. Anything coming? Oh yeah, the S15. Black 5. Steady, 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 whoa. I'll just wait for the others. They all happen to be around the other side of the track. They've come, Blackfire's arrived. Lovely jubbly. And we've got who's going to make it next? Class 20's next, I think. And the S50. Well, I thoroughly enjoyed that. It's nice to be back in the loft. And more to come. Oh, but for now, it's on out. Please share, subscribe, tell your mates that I'm back at Buckland Junction. Take care, on out. Welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Britannia again, the second week running. Look at it go. No, not stopping.